Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Natalie from Simple Natalie, and in this episode I want to share with you what to do with the lavender. We have a lavender in season, this beautiful lavender. We have so many recipes with the lavender, and I want to share with you a couple of them. So I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned.
These flowers are so amazing, and I brought them home a couple of weeks ago, so give them about a couple of weeks to get dry, because when they are fresh you don't want to do anything with them. So when they dry you can seed them and do so many amazing things with this amazing flower. So I just stripped them into a mason jar, just like that.
I'm pretty sure everyone has mason jar at home, or you can use these kind of jars. And so lavender over here. And it smells so amazing over here. Wow. And when you store this into a jar, you can store this up to a year, I'm pretty sure. And what I do with these seeds, you can make a tea. Also I make a mojito, lavender mojito. It's so delicious, especially when it's hot outside. I make a virgin lavender mojito. I'm gonna leave you a link. You can make that.
So I'm gonna get sachet bags and I'm gonna fill them with the dry, fresh lavender seeds.
Just make sure to tie these bags well. So secure them really well, so the lavender don't spread with your bathtubs or in your linen drawers, just like that.
You can simply put them on the laundry doors, closet doors, or I love to use them as a air refreshener in the car. It's amazing. I'm not gonna show it to you, but you get at the idea. So here I have these soft cotton balls. I love to use them for a laundry along with my lavender sachet bag. So what I do, I just drop a couple of the drops of the eucalyptus essential oil. You can use mint as well. It's a great combination with the lavender. And then I'm gonna throw a cotton ball with the lavender sachet bag into a dryer and dry your clothes. You're gonna be amazed the smell of your laundry, especially if you dry sheets and lingerie. Speaking of laundry, I wanna share with you how I wash my clothes with a soda. So here I have essential oils. I love to use eucalyptus. Tea tree oil is amazing. Or you can use a lavender oil as well. I'm gonna use lemon. To this big jar with soda, I'm gonna add about 10 drops of essential oils, and then we're gonna mix this with a spoon, just slightly mix it, and then we can wash our clothes. How easy is that? It's gonna give your clothes this fresh smell. I just love it. Leave me a comment below. Do you use soda for a laundry or not? Another amazing idea what you can do with these sachet bags, lavender bags. You can simply place them in your linen rolls by your clothes, and it's gonna give your clothes this amazing soft fresh smell of lavender. I just love this. If you love lavender, you'll love this.
Also you can put them in the shoe boxes. Just store these little bags like on the side and just leave them with your shoes.
To enjoy benefits of the lavender, simply add one sachet bag into a hot bath and take a bath about for 15-20 minutes to detox all the stress. this is my favorite things to make. Aromatherapy lavender dream pillow. They smell amazing. You can put them on your bed. Very simple to make. Very lovely, smell great. So I'm gonna cut a piece of fabric a size of my pillow, small pillow, and fold it in half and sew two sides of it. I just turned it inside out and we have a pouch. And then pour my dry lavender into it. I just love the smell of lavender, so aromatherapeutic, just make me so calm and relaxed. So that's exactly what we need. Now we're gonna pull over the top and finish the scene. So I use about 1 jar of dry lavender into this bag. And then just fit your actual scented sachet inside of your pillow. Flatten that out and you have a very gorgeous lavender dream pillow. Can't wait to put this in my bed. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Perfectly matches my room. Smell incredible. I just love lavender. These amazing aromatherapeutic pillows, you can treat yourself or give this away. How amazing this, so simple to make.
Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like this channel. If you do, please thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a comment.
What do you do with the lavender when they're in season? This amazing flower, I cannot speak enough of it. I love it so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, happy, motivated, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.